Give me a moment.
Yeah. There's a message on the your screen. Sarah Young.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
Bill Sunny Township versus Sarah Young. Case number 21W000620. The allegation in this matter is that on March 8th of this year on Chevrolet Adonier Tyler, Ypsilanti Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, you did operate a motor vehicle at the time your driver's license was suspended. A misdemeanor carrying a maximum penalty if convicted of up to 93 days in jail, a $500 fine plus court costs, or both. You understand that?
Yes.
Were you able to review the advice and rights form online?
Yes.
Do you have any question with regard to your rights?
No.
So as the advice and rights form indicates, you have some options at arraignment. You can enter a not guilty plea and request a pretrial hearing, give you an opportunity to come back and talk to the prosecutor about your situation. You could enter a guilty plea today. It's a case we could dispose on a guilty plea if you chose to. Or you may stand mute to the charge or request to plead no contest to the charge. Looking at your driving record, it looks like you have a couple of suspensions in Van Buren, and if I'm not mistaken, that other one's in Romulus as well. Is that right?
I guess I didn't know. I don't.
Let me get the
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I know one's Van Buren for sure. Let me see what the other one is, which court that is. While I'm looking this up, I'll have the public defender come in and talk to you about what your options might be as far as what might be best suited to your particular situation. I can really tell you what the options are, but they can give you some advice as what might be best suited for you.
Okay.
Hi, Ms. Young. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. My name is Chinaza with the Washington County Public Defender's Office. In regards to this particular charge, what my advice would be is for you to ask that the judge, for you to stay in mute and ask that the judge enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. And then he's going to give you another date for pretrial. And on that particular date, you would have had the opportunity to either clear your license in the holds and then talk to the prosecutor to get maybe a reduced charge, a dismissal, or something better than just pleading outright to the charge as is.
Okay. So stay in mute and
Plead not guilty.
plead not guilty and ask for, the next court date.
Absolutely. There you go.
All right.
Okay.
Let me just, I'm just verifying where the other suspension is. Give me just a second to find out your driving record here.
I know I had gotten a license plate light ticket for EMU.
That's the E one. Yep. It's so downtown
And then
Ypsilanti is
that's
EMU. Yep.
Okay.
And then the other one is in Van Buren at the 34th District Court in Romulus is where you're suspended as well. So between now and your next court date, you want to get a hold of those two and do what you can to get your license cleared.
Okay.
Let me check one more thing here. And yeah, it looks like your otherwise would be valid. So you just need to get that clearance, those two clearances taken care of. Come back and talk to the prosecutor about what's going on with the situation. They may be willing to work with you on that. I can't talk for them, but it's a possibility, of course, and it happens frequently. So let's set that. Do you think you get everything taken care of by September 28th?
Yes. That's, yep.
Okay.
I should be able to do it with 2 months.
We'll set a pretrial September 28th. Are you still at Ridge Road?
No, but I did register put my new address in just before this hearing right now.
Okay, so the clerk's changed it on their end?
Yep.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so we'll send you a notice for that court date. It'll be by Zoom, just like we did today, okay?
Okay, you said, I'm so sorry, September 28th?
Yep, and that'll be at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Oh, certainly. Stay safe.
You as well. Nothing, that's what I was.
No, you gotta look down at the bottom of your screen. Gotta work your settings. Hello, Travis. You there? Michael Economou,
Yes.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm well, yourself?
Not bad. Not bad.
Phillips Lane Township versus Michael Economou, case numbers 21W001755A, 55B, and 19W002329. All right. One misdemeanor count alleging that on July 4, 2021, Ypsilanti Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, on I-94 at or near Michigan Avenue, you did operate a motor vehicle at a time your driver's license was suspended. A misdemeanor carrying a maximum penalty of 93 days in jail, a $500 fine plus court costs, or both. Do you understand that allegation?
I do.
You've read the advice of rights form online? Did you
Yes,
read
I
the advice? Okay, excellent. Okay. Do you have any questions in regard to your rights?
No, none at this time.
Okay. So as the advice of rights indicates, you have some options at arraignment. You can enter a not guilty plea and request a pretrial hearing, or you may plead guilty. The court can take a guilty plea on this today, or you can simply stand mute to the charge and enter a not guilty plea, or the less traveled option of pleading no contest with permission of the court is available to you as well. Well, I can only lay out what those options are to you, the public defenders here, and they can give you advice as to what might be best suited to your particular situation. I do see your license is currently suspended. I'm looking through your driving record right now, and it looks like you're suspended on a 2018 matter here, and also at 14A4, I believe. I'm sorry, 2019 matter here, 14A downtown Ypsilanti, 14A4 in Saline, I believe that is.
Yes.
So have you been in touch with other courts as far as getting those cleared up?
I have started getting the funds together to do so. It's been a matter of financial issues the past couple of years, as well as everything else. But I have begun getting the finances together, and I will have everything either by the end of today or by tomorrow. And then I'll be able to proceed from there.
Okay. All right.
For resolving all matters.
Certainly. Okay. Let me have the public defender step in and tell you what might be best suited to your particular situation, give that information then.
Excellent. Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm well, thank you. My name is Chinaza from Washington County Public Defender's Office. And in regards to your DWLS case, the best suggestion would be for you to stand mute and ask that the court enter a not guilty plea for you today. The judge is then going to give you another date, a pretrial date. And at that pretrial date, one of two things would have either happened. Hopefully you would have been able to clear up your license and get a better deal from the prosecutor at that time. Or if you're unable to clear it for whatever reason, the prosecutor could still likely give you something lesser than pleading as charged. So my recommendation would not be to plead guilty today, plead not guilty and stand mute. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Mr. Camino, is that what you'd like to do then? Enter not guilty plea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And will you be able to pay the outstanding fines you have with our court and the other two courts by September 28th to get your clearance?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. So we'll set this for the driving with suspended license for a pretrial hearing and the expired plate for a pre-hearing conference, both on that September 28th date. Do your best to get everything cleared up. Puts you in the best spot you can be as far as the prosecutor is concerned, and they'll work with you as best they can, presumably at that point in time, although I can make no promises for them. Are you still on McCarthy Street?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that hearing will be via Zoom, just like we're doing here today at 9 a.m. The court will mail you a notice with that information and likely email you again as well with that. So you should have that. I do see on your printout here, you have a warrant in Warren on a marijuana charge. Are you aware of that?
Actually, it had been cleared up a while back. The officer made me aware that it was still outstanding. I had received something about that quite a while ago, and I thought I had cleared matters up. So it might just be a matter of contacting them and making sure.
I definitely will do that.
Yeah. You know, that would seem like the most likely, because I wouldn't really be traveling with my wife and son in the truck if I knew, that sort of thing.
Okay. Yeah. All right. We'll see you back on September 28th at 9 a.m. for pretrial hearing then.
September 28th at 9 a.m.
Yep.
All right. Excellent. Thank you so much, sir.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You the same.
Ms. Hales, are you connected and hear us?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Excellent. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ypsilanti Township versus Deborah Hales. These case numbers 05W152500 03W155242A and 242B. All right, so the misdemeanor charge here is a possession of drug paraphernalia back from 2005, so a while back. Matter had been set originally for pretrial hearing, trial actually, had gone all the way to the stage of being set for trial. You failed to appear in a warrant for your arrest. Do you understand that?
I didn't hear you, sir.
I was just asking if you understood that you had a warrant for your arrest because you failed to appear for a
Yes.
trial.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay. What brought this back to your attention?
Well, I was getting my license in Texas, and the state patrol officer said that I had a warrant.
Okay.
And,
So let's start there then. What's your address down there in Texas?
It's I'm not in Texas right now, but it's 10075 Royal Lane, apartment 1014.
Is that where you'd like your mail to go from now on?
You can send my mail to right now to 3623 Hollywood Avenue, Jackson, Mississippi. 39.
What?
I got a brain injury, so my
Okay, you're fine. You're fine. Take your time.
it's 39213.
Okay. Jackson, Mississippi. Okay. All righty. And so, but you're normally staying in Texas, but now you're in Mississippi. Are you there with family now, or what's going on there?
Well, I'm helping my family out because her son was in a real bad car accident where he got thrown from the car, and I'm trying to help her.
Okay. When did you get injured?
When I was 6 years old, I got a brain injury.
Oh, that goes way back. Okay. All righty. Okay.
Oh, my cousin got injured in December.
Okay. Ms. Hankin, really, did you address bond in this matter?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Chinazi Carey, I can really on behalf of Ms. Deborah Hales. Your Honor, today we are requesting that Ms. Hale be allowed to stay out on the, be given a personal recognizance bond today. Specifically, looking at the date of the offense and how aged it is. And the fact that by mere virtue of her appearance today, she has provided contact information to the court. And her appearance today showing up should show the court that she is more than willing and capable of appearing on all of the future court dates and is ready to resolve this matter.
Yes,
So we do ask for a PR bond today.
Okay. All right. Let me just find your contact sheet. Hang on a second. I'm going to go